Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show battery percentage on a status bar in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notifications. In notifications, go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, okay, now here you can see the show battery percentage. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to show battery percentage on a status bar of your Samsung Galaxy A02, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this show battery percentage. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully show battery percentage on status bar in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.